Oklahomans, you now have the ability to reinstate your suspended driver license online, in many cases eliminating the need for an in-person visit to a Service Oklahoma location. We've made requesting a reinstatement online simple and user-friendly, and we'll guide you through each of the following steps. First, use this form to see which documents are needed and check the average cost based on your selection. Next, when you're ready to reinstate, upload all needed documents, enter all of your information, and click Submit. Once you've submitted all items, Service Oklahoma will process the reinstatement request within 72 hours. And finally, you'll receive an invoice email and will have the ability to pay online, or you have the option to mail a money order or cashier's check to the Service Oklahoma headquarters at 6015 North Classen Boulevard, Building 4. Once your invoice has been paid in full, eligible individuals will regain their driving privileges with their current unexpired driver license. It's as simple as that. Get started today at service.ok.gov/reinstatements. Service Oklahoma, here to serve, here for you.